In this lesson, we will be learning how you can color correct the skin tone of a person. So to do that, you have to add 3 serial nodes. To add a node, you can just simply hit Alt S and it will add 3 nodes. So the first step is using the waveform. We have to make this image between the 100 and the 0. To do that, go to the gain, increase the highlights and make it to touch nearly 100. And we have to bring the shadows down to 0. To do that, you can hit the lift button and move it to the left side. So this is the first step using the waveform scope. So to the next step, you have to go to the parade. So the parade shows the color values. So if there is any color cast, you have to remove that. You can see that the blue is a bit less in this. So you have to go to the curves here, hit the blue here, and you have to increase this and make it equal to that. So you have made it almost equal. So now you have made all the red, green and blue channels equal so that there is no color cast. The next step is to look at the skin tones. So you can select the vectorscope. So the vectorscope shows the skin tone, whether it's correctly lying. So this is the skin tone line and your character's skin should match this line. So it shouldn't go beyond this range here. You can bring it down if you need. You can increase the saturation. So these are the 3 steps which you should follow to color correct a log footage. So first you have to correct the highlights and shadows, then the color cast using the parade. The third step is you have to check for the skin tones using the vectorscope, that you can choose many options here to show the skin tone line.